An EPS project, that's a collaboration between several universities in Portugal, in Spain, in Germany, in Poland, and they join forces. So the students from Saxion go abroad, students from other universities come to Saxion and work for half a year, for a semester, on a nice research topic.
So today we're working on our project, the bio-based lamp.
Yeah, it's a mushroom or the root of the mushroom, and you can use that to make a material. And with that you can build structures and you can do furnitures and so on. And he asked us to develop and design a lamp with the use of these materials.
So we are doing what's called Get the Drone Home, because our group, they're making charging pads for drones, also a case for it, and maybe an app which can connect the drone to the charging pad and everything to be working smoothly.
You're not only working, but you're meeting new people from different places, new countries and so on. So you can really share your own culture with other people that they don't know anything about you and your own country. And that's quite fun indeed, it is.
I decided to follow the SSS project because I thought that this would give me the necessary experience for me to get better at engineering.
I'm happy to be here and I think the project is gonna be super nice.
Saxion is a melting pot, so I love that, for example, in this project we are 5 Dutch people, 1 Bulgarian, 1 guy from Kazakhstan and a girl from Poland, so we are quite international and I love this.
A couple of the challenges we faced is that there isn't much known about growing mycelium, so we really had to rediscover that. And also we didn't have much experience when making molds, which took us a lot of time and trial and errors to get it right and to grow the final product.
So the main reason that I chose Saxion was the EPS project. So in this project I'm the person responsible for the creation of the website to control the drone docking station from the distance. It was the project of the previous group, so we needed to analyze what the other group did and we needed to improve it and implement our own ideas.
Today we have in the final symposium of our project. Here we present what our findings were and our final product. Why mycelium for a lab? Like I said, it's an eco-friendly alternative.
There were ups and downs, certainly. I am really happy about what I did because I learned a lot, even in fields that I had never worked on before. And honestly, it was a great experience. And even though there were some stressful periods, we managed to pull through and to actually deliver a satisfactory result.
Our client was delighted, they complimented us, so I think it was really nice.
It was kind of an adventure, like working with different cultures and different people of different studies and really discovering new things and also seeing how I can implement my own work experience into this project.